So hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, or if you're new here, hello, welcome! I'm Luna Rose, the flower that blooms at night, and as you can read from the title of today's video, we're going to be doing a high heel haul as well as a try on. So let's get into it, shall we? So I purchased all of these high heels from Shein with my own money, combined with the help of my Patreon family, as well as my OnlyFans family, which I will leave a link to down below. And I will also try and link down below the products that I try on in today's video. Shein does often swap up its stock list, so if I can't find the exact shoe, I will try and find something similar. And let's try them on, shall we? Okay, so we're going to be starting this haul off in a full Luna Rose dragtastic slutty fashion, since the very first pair of heels that I picked up from Shein are this full-on massive 8-inch heel black platform pleaser. I have been after a pleaser pair of pumps for such a long time, and when I saw them on Shein, I was just like, the stars have aligned, I need these heels in my collection. And I think there was only 50 quid, which might sound a lot for a heel, but this massive platform pleaser style of shoe is usually a lot more expensive, and she just gives me sexy dominatrix vibes, and it's probably going to be very painful to walk in. And the next heel I picked up from Shein is pretty much a full 180 from the previous black stripper pleaser heel, because this one is a nice soft little pink sensible heel with a cute little soft bow on the front, literally the complete opposite of the last style of shoe. But I just really like pumps like this that are just a little heel with a slight arch, and I can wear these for a really long amount of time. And you guys know I love the colour pink, and this just soft bubblegum pink with a cute little feminine touch on the front is very much up my alley, and you will definitely see this shoe a lot in the future. I can tell it's going to be a go-to for me. The next heel I picked up from Shein is another kind of softer, feminine kind of style of shoe, because it is this really cute little kind of doll kind of style of shoe. It does have a very short and squatty heel, which, you know, the drag queen in me is kind of screaming at me for, but, I just really like the style of it, and I think for a certain look with a thigh-high frilly sock and a soft blue dress, it would just give that full Lolita soft baby doll fantasy. But, yeah, let me know what you think of this one. It is very much, different compared to what I'd usually pick up, and, yeah, the little squatty heel is not my favourite, but the actual style of shoe with the pearls and the lace and everything is just very Alice in Wonderland fairy tale baby doll cute. So, yeah, I definitely have to wear it in the future. At least I know it's going to be comfortable, compared to them 9-inch pleasers. Now this next heel I picked up is way outside my usual comfort zone. As you guys know, I usually kind of pad when I'm in drag, so I wear multiple pairs of tights, and I don't really like open toe shoes, since when you're wearing padding and the multiple tights, your foot literally just looks like a little webbed duck foot in the end of the tights. So usually I avoid open toe shoes, but there is just something about this next pair that just spoke to my soul, and I can already envision a gorgeous Grecian goddess vibe look in it, since it might look really unassuming just holding it up, but it is literally a full thigh-high gladiator sandal with the rose gold straps to go all the way around it. And there is just something about the style of shoe that just spoke to me, and yeah, I definitely want to do a full Grecian goddess moment in the future and wear a really short white chiffon dress with then this going all the way up to the putswana and the straps going down. I think it would just make my legs look super bronzy and sexy and gorgeous. But yeah, usually I avoid open toe shoes, but for this shoe I made an exception. And now we're back to familiar Luna Rose territory, since the next heel I picked up is just a nice, simple, sexy pump. My future goal and aspiration is to have all of my heels arranged by colour category and have a different colour for every single style of shoe and occasion and dress. So I really want to pick up a bunch more in this style in every single colour, since I just really like the kind of high arch of the shoe with a nice heel to it. It's that perfect mix of it's sexy and gives a statement and lifts your foot up, but it's not too overwhelmingly crazy that it's stupidly uncomfortable to wear. And it's in a green. Green is my favourite colour of all time, and yeah, it's added to my collection of future goals to have a full wall of heels. Literally gets me wet at night. And then the final shoe I picked up is full-on stripper vibes, not gonna lie. And it is a gorgeous neon yellow, like, platform, like, pleaser kind of shoe. Again, open-toe shoes aren't really my, like, go-to and, like, reach for kind of shoe, but there's just something about neon yellow when it comes to heels that just, like, activates my drag queen brain, and I need them in, like, every single, like, style. So, yeah, it is like an open-toe kind of pleaser shoe in a nice bright neon like yellow. Don't really know how or like when I'm really going to wear it, since obviously I'd have to be like bare-legged to not have like the weird duck foot like moment. But I love this colour in shoes. Like, I just, ooh, it speaks to me, girl. Also nearly went through my floor. So yeah, I really hope you all enjoyed my little Shein high heel haul as well as a try on. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below which pair of heels were your favourite. And I will also link down below all of the heels I tried on in today's video, as well as my playlist of previous heel hauls. And don't forget to subscribe to the girl next door with something more. And I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye. Oh, that was a powerful tongue pop outro. Bye.